buy a car, van, or motorbike on PCP or hire purchase before January the 28th, 2021? If so, you could be due thousands back. In today's video, I'll be dissecting everything you need to know about the discretionary commission scandal currently being investigated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Now, they have launched a major investigation into hidden unfair commissions earned by brokers or car dealers. Now, this could lead to millions of pounds of overcharged interest paid back to millions of people. Now, this could be you. So I would implore you to watch this video to the end, because the information I'll be sharing in this video would help you put in a successful complaint. Hello everyone, welcome to Faith Focused Money, a channel dedicated to providing you the financial knowledge you need to navigate life in the UK. My name is Amaka Ugu, and I'm a trained management accountant with over 14 years experience working within the motor trade in the UK. Now, this video is for anyone who's financed a vehicle, be it a car, a van, a camper van, or a motorbike before January 28, 2021. Now, there's a chance you could be owed money back due to unfair commission practices. Before January 2021, finance companies allowed car dealers and brokers to set their own interest rates on car finance agreements. Now, about 40% of these finance agreements had what's known as discretionary commission. Now, this means the broker or car dealer decided your interest rate. Now, they often made this higher so they could earn more in finance commissions. Now, for those that don't know what finance commissions are, a finance commission is a commission paid to the dealer by the finance company for transacting a finance agreement between the finance company and you, the customer. Now, you might ask me, what's the problem? Well, many people, maybe including you, had no clue this was happening. Now, this lack of transparency meant you couldn't negotiate a better deal on your finance agreement. Let's use Sarah for an example. Now, Sarah walks into a dealership and bought a car on finance in 2019. Now, unknown to her, the dealer inflated the interest rate from possibly 5% to 8%. Boosting their own finance commission earnings and leaving Sarah paying more every month till the end of her finance agreement. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that most of these car dealers do not make a lot of money on the metal of the car. Now, they make the bulk of their earnings from finance commissions and selling add-on products such as GAP and MDP insurance policies. Now, why does this matter? Now, in January 2021, the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, put a stop to discretionary commissions, and they are now investigating past agreements. Now, if they find issues, affected customers like Sarah in our example could be due back a refund. Now, this is a huge deal because it acknowledges widespread unfairness in the past deals. Now, if you remember the PPI scandal in 2008, where millions of people in the UK were missold PPI policies alongside their mortgages, loans, credit cards. In fact, one of my sisters got a nice payout of over £10,000 across 2 loans she had taken ages ago. Therefore, taking action now and logging your complaint as soon as possible is crucial to getting your case reviewed. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, is the UK's financial regulatory body responsible for overseeing the conduct of financial firms and markets to ensure fair treatment of customers. They check to make sure these firms treat people fairly. In relation to this investigation, the FCA's role involves scrutinizing these practices to identify any unfair customer outcomes, such as higher finance costs due to conflict of interest, where dealers might have increased the interest rate to earn higher commissions. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, this sounds like my situation, well, it's time to act. Don't wait for the FCA's final report. File a complaint now to avoid missing out due to time limits. Now, here's the kicker. It doesn't matter if your finance agreement has ended or if your car was repossessed. What matters is the fairness of the interest you were charged. Now let's see who should be paying attention. Now, if your motor finance agreement was signed before January 28, 2021, you are in this group and you need to listen. Now, this group includes everyone that had a PCP agreement or hire purchase agreement. Now, it does not include personal contract hire, better known as leasing. Now, the vehicle had to be used primarily for personal, not business use. Now, commuting counts as personal use. Now, multiple eligible car finance deals could be due multiple payouts as well. Now, each case is individual. Now, if you're finding value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up as it makes a huge difference and helps us grow this channel. Now, links to everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Now, what are the steps for filing a complaint? Now, the first thing you need to do is to identify your lender. Now, this is the company you made monthly payments to. This is who you'll be filing the complaint with, not the broker or the dealership. If you can't remember who the lender was, don't worry. Check your credit file. Now, your credit file usually holds 6 years record of your credit. Now, you could check your bank statements or even contact the dealer where you bought the vehicle from. Now, they are required to keep records for over 6 years. So there's a good chance they can help you out. But what happens if the company you dealt with has vanished or changed hands, you might ask? If it has been taken over, the new company should handle your claim. Now, if it goes completely, things get a bit trickier. Now, you might get pennies on the pound as a creditor to a defunct business, but it's still worth inquiring. Now, how much could you get back? Now, it varies. Someone like Sarah in our example might find she overpaid by thousands over the life of the loan due to the inflated rate. Now, while exact amount will depend on individual cases and the FCA's final rulings, knowing you could rectify a significant overcharge gives you a good reason to pursue a claim. What should you do next? Now, check your eligibility by clicking on the link in the description box below. It will take you to the Money Saving Experts website where there's a free tool that goes through preliminary questions as to the details of your finance agreement. Now, this should be an easy process and should help you put in your complaint. Also, review your documents, and if you think you have a case, file that complaint now. Even if you are not sure, it's better to act now than to miss out on the potential refund. Now, if you found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Now, until next time, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.